Good morning, my friends. This is David Warren, your Wingate weatherman, coming to you from the University City on Saturday, January the 31st of 2026. It has been merely a week since the University City was hit with a massive ice storm, and it has only just melted. And now there is a good chance, a very good chance, we're going to see massive amounts of snow today here in the surrounding area. To get more information, we're going to our radar expert, Colonel Kinsey. Colonel, has your new radar been able to name and categorize any of the individual snowflakes as they fall to the ground?
Oh, yes, Dave. It's amazing what this little radar can do. I'm identifying a number as they fall. Let's see here. There goes a Charles. Oh, yes. There goes a Vinny. Vinny. That one's name's Vinny. Oh, yes. That is a Fairy June. Amy. Yeah, that one's an Amy. Yes. Henry. Oh, I'm catching them as they fall. Yes.
Why, that's amazing, Colonel. Good work. You keep naming those snowflakes and write them down, and we'll hold them accountable, each and every one of them, as they hit the ground and cover the land behind us. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have plenty of bread and milk. I hope you will stay warm. And if you have not already evacuated the area, please stay inside. This is a very, very massive snowstorm. We will be coming back to you as events are warranted. This is David Warren, your Wingate Weather.